Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use FaceFun AI video and PicMaker application. So first of all, you need to make sure that you install it in your device, then tap on the open button, then you have to wait. Okay, then so you can agree it, and here you can see like want to support your app. Then it's really easy to use. You need to choose AI Studio and swap. You can get here swap videos, and here is home, like those are trending. For example, I'm just going to tap this one. Maybe this is free, that's why there is no rating. And then you have to upload the photos here. You have to allow it. Maybe I don't have a girl's picture here, so I'm just going to upload the boy's picture. So just wait a second to get the result. So there is another option, like here maybe this one, like okay, I just uploaded the boy's picture, so begin my swap. We just need to wait what is the result. So you can see now how it looks like. Here you can see it's perfectly added on that face. So if you want to try more, then you can get here a lot of things, but if you subscribe that, then you will get here this is free. There is no text on that picture, so you can also get here, like you can swap the face. It's really easy, you can try it. And if you want to learn more about this app, then you have to subscribe their package, then you can do many things. So today's Noma, and see you the next video.